no load and block rotor test on three-phase induction motor. To conduct no load test, make the connections as per this circuit diagram. This test is important because it gives information about the core loss, friction and windage loss, magnetizing current and no load power factor of motor under test. This test will also reveal the mechanical imbalance due to unbalanced rotor or weird bearing, noise produced by motor, etc. Perform no load and block rotor test on three-phase induction motor as per IS 325/1996. Main aim of this particular experiment is to draw circle diagram and calculate performance parameter of this induction motor. So this particular practical is divided into two parts. First part is of no load test and other one is of block rotor test. So herewith I am going to give you stepwise procedure, and accordingly we are going to note down the readings for no load test and block rotor test. First we are starting with no load test. So herewith we are applying 230 volt supply to auto transformer, and with the help of auto transformer we are able to give rated voltage across induction motor. So this is the circuit diagram. As per the circuit diagram, connections are made here. From auto transformer, supply is given to three-phase induction motor, and to measure no load current, no load voltage and no load power, we are having ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter in the system. So this is ammeter is connected in series with one phase. This is a 2-element wattmeter. To measure the rated voltage or voltage which is applied across induction motor, we are having multimeter here, and we are performing experiment on panel number 9, squirrel cage induction motor, voltage 230 volt, horsepower 3, pole 4 and its speed RPM is 1410. After making connection as per the given circuit diagram, we are going to conduct first no load test. So first you have to keep auto transformer position at 0, and we are going to apply rated voltage. From 0 we are going to vary up to 220 volt. Then gradually increasing this voltage, we are going to note down the reading of voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter, and we also need to note down the reading of speed at no load condition. So here we are finding, after applying 221 volt across three-phase induction motor, the reading of ammeter is 3.5 ampere and wattage is 100 watt. So note down the readings of voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter. I am also going to provide you the reading for speed at no load condition. So at no load condition, speed is 1496 RPM. Now second part of this test is block rotor test. You will find that circuit or circuit diagram is similar to previous one. So there is no change in the connections. The only thing or only precaution which we have to take during conducting this experiment is we have to block the rotor. It means we are not allowing rotor to rotate. So very first thing which we have to carry out is block the rotor first, and then set the current near equal to rated current. Now in this case rated current is 7 ampere. So to circulate 7 ampere current, you have to go on varying voltage, applied voltage across the supply terminals. From 0 go on increasing the voltage till current reaches to 7 ampere. Once current reaches to its rated value, take down the reading of ammeter, voltmeter and wattmeter. as rotor is blocked, so speed is definitely 0. This test is useful to find out copper loss, and in combination with no load test data, we are able to plot circle diagram for determining the performance of the motor under test. Now we are going to conduct block rotor test on the same induction motor, which is 3 HP. First step is we have to make the connections as per the circuit diagram, and then gradually we are going to apply voltage which will circulate rated current. Now rated current is for 3 HP motor, it is around 7 ampere. So I am going to circulate 7 ampere current. I have to set 7 ampere on this particular ammeter, and during that process the shaft of this particular induction motor we have to keep locked or disconnect. It should not rotate. Now we are going to set 3.5 or we are going to circulate rated value of current through this particular induction motor. Current is 3.5 into 2, that is 7 ampere. It is rated current, and during this process this rotor is blocked, so we are not allowing to rotate it. So now note down the reading. Current ISC is 7 ampere, WSC 150 watt, and voltage 62.6 volt. After conducting no load and block rotor test, with these meter readings, we are able to calculate different parameters of three-phase induction motor, and with this data, it is also possible to plot circle diagram for this given induction motor, which will give you the performance of motor under test.